Welcome back to the channel. My name is Deepak, and we're picking right back up on my ongoing health journey. I genuinely hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, subscribing and leaving a like goes a long way. It helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to continue documenting all of this. The entire mission of sharing these personal routines is simple. If you are dealing with similar health struggles, you might find some actionable ideas here to try for yourself. This process required serious effort. For 90 solid days, I stuck to strict discipline and relentless hard work to turn my health around. But you can't measure progress just by how you feel. The time finally came to trade the daily workout routine for a clinical setting, get my blood drawn at the hospital, and see what the numbers actually looked like. This specific 3-month checkup is the ultimate test. It answers the crucial question: can strict, disciplined lifestyle interventions actually pull a human body back from the brink of extreme medical risk? When the reports finally came in, I was shocked, but this time in the best possible way. The interventions were working. This gauge shows total cholesterol dropping to 216, bringing me to the borderline high mark. Hitting that borderline is significant because of what sits above it. I managed to step out of that severe cardiovascular danger zone and establish a new, safer baseline. This chart tracks my triglyceride level, beginning at a dangerous 707. Hovering deep in that high-risk area puts massive strain on your system. But look at this massive drop. That number plummeted to 408.4, crossing out of the highest risk zone. Cutting those two specific lipid markers down by such a massive margin proves an important biological reality. When subjected to strict, sustained behavioral changes, the human body can course-correct remarkably fast. Beyond the lipid panel, we have to evaluate my blood sugar metrics, which had previously been stuck in their own high-risk danger zone. This scale shows my HbA1c dropping to 6.1, pulling me from the high-risk zone into the pre-diabetic stage. Clinically, this difference is crucial. Being pre-diabetic is a reversible middle ground, a transitional space where you still have leverage to fix the problem. Next is the chart tracking my fasting glucose. The reading reduced to 91.5, dropping squarely into the healthy range of 70 to 106. Seeing that healthy metric firmly inside normal limits is a stark contrast to my old, unhealthy baseline. Crossing the threshold into a normal range for fasting glucose proves that even metrics once in the danger zone are still responsive to change. Looking at this data profile across the board, the verdict is clear. The first 3 months of discipline were effective, but there is a real danger in getting comfortable. Hovering at a borderline or sitting in a pre-diabetic state is not the same as being healthy. It just means the immediate risk has been mitigated. The current routine did its job, but human biology adapts. My body has adjusted to this level of exertion, which means what got me here is no longer enough to continue the progress. That is why I am officially launching Phase 2. Moving past these middle ground numbers requires a deliberate biological escalation. I am doubling my efforts. I'm taking all my physical activities to a 2x level, pushing the intensity to break through my body's new plateau. I am committing to being significantly more active every single day moving forward. We are just getting started. Viewing these initial improvements as the foundation for harder work ensures the body doesn't settle into these borderline states, but continues to move toward a full recovery.